Hi everyone, thank you so much for coming. Today we're going to go through Jingle Bells. I'm going to go very slowly and show you where the fingers are supposed to go, and hopefully you can follow it. I'll go through it a few times. Thank you. So the part we're going to learn is the verses. Sounds like this. Okay, so now we're going to go through this step slowly. It involves two positions for second finger. On A string, your second finger should be right next to the first, that close. The next finger space, leaving no space between 1 and 2, bring the second finger down to first finger. We call this position direction downwards because the pitch is coming down. All right, and then the second finger on D string, though, you stay a little further away. That's an F sharp, and this is C natural. So these are the two second finger positions. Your middle finger has to dance differently. All right, so here we go slowly. Start on D string. Now this is C coming up. Here you can open E, or you can use fourth finger E, low 2, and then 3, 3. The 3 and the 3 is just tiny little difference, and your bow going from D string, from this string to that string. So now this is the chorus part. It's really fun. First finger, play it 7 times. Now it's that second finger again. In terms of rhythm, when you play the chorus, the bow goes a little quick. You are counting the rhythm with your bow. So you are counting the length of the note with it. All right, so let's try once more for the chorus. First finger. And when you are playing for your family and friends at Christmas time or even next week after you learn the song, it doesn't have to be very fast. Just get the coordination of which string you are playing. Nice and loosely be able to change strings from one to another, and that's very important. Make sure that your right hand is very light. Soon as you press it, and it will have very squeezed sound. All right, you will think there's something wrong with your bow, but it's actually, if it has sound, you have enough rosin. You don't need rosin. Just make sure you open your arm so you have long bow. So here we go. Let's play through the whole thing. Playing is always more impressive, so you can do it in any tempo, speed you like. All right, as long as you are just fast enough for your mind to control where the fingers are going, and just do your best. Happy holidays. See you next piece.